Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our little 99 S10 Xtreme. Neat little truck, 61,000 miles I believe. Got an aftermarket hood. The original hood is inside. Ground effects been lowered. There's a sheet of, I think, 2 inches front, 3 inches in back. Does have the Xtreme package, shows it on the RPO codes. Interior nice and clean. Like I said, 61,731. Come out of Rapid City and Billings area, so out in the western, so nice and clean underneath. They kind of, I think it's cool, some people don't, but baby moons are cool. This kind of brings a little retro back to a new truck, so kind of cool that way. Body's in pretty good shape. There you can see a little stress cracking down on the license plate part of the lower bumper, and right here got a few little chips and stuff, so a little paint come off here. Some of this right here will probably buff off, but nice clean little truck. There's a scratch, it's been touched up. So nice affordable runaround pickup that'll definitely catch an eyeball, so would work great for a high school kid. 605-695-7391.